I don't have time to make one. There has to be something in my closet I can use. Let's see. What's popular right now? I know! Who loves the 80s? Side ponytail. Then I used an extra rainbow loom rubber band for a headband. I got this outfit from one of those Barbie surprise career fashion packs. I think we're getting some 80s vibes here. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe if we tie the shirt. I stitched it with a needle and thread. That's better, right? Yeah, I can do jazzercise in this. I don't know. I feel like we're missing some pretty iconic pieces. How about this? Pink shiny Barbie extra pants with silver metallic Barbie extra bodysuit. I'm very shiny. I don't know. Are the pants too bulky? What about this? Blue leggings from one of those teacher playsets, the Barbie extra bodysuit, and a pink plastic belt. I picked up these hair ties from the Dollar Tree to use as a sweatband. Then take a sock, cut off the top, cut it at the sides to get 2 pieces, fold it in half so the good side is on the inside, sew down the side, sizing it to the doll's leg. Flip it inside out to make leg warmers. And I cut one of the hair bands to make it smaller to make wristbands. Oh yeah, jazzercise. Easy, inexpensive costume that screams 80s. Look at those leg warmers. Grab a gym bag and you're ready to go. This is the perfect accessory for a Halloween party. I can put my cell phone, my keys, everything I need in my gym bag and carry it around because it's part of my costume. Oh, and after Halloween, I can still use this costume. I can wear it to the gym. We should probably come up with another idea. The 80s are pretty popular right now. Even Barbie came out with a new doll. So, what else can we come up with? I know, Cruella. Yeah, I haven't finished the movie, but that doesn't mean I can't appreciate a little cosplay. This Barbie color reveal doll comes with the perfect wig. Let me just lower my ponytail, and bam, you got Cruella. Whoa, that's some hair. Maybe we can use a balloon for a wig cap to try and reduce some of the bulk. That's actually a pretty cute little sleeping cap. Okay, so the ponytail was still too much bulk, so I'm just gonna wear the balloon, like a little skull cap, and let my hair hang down in the back. Yeah, put on the wig, and we've got Cruella vibes. I can try and wrap my hair a little neater in the back. I don't know, maybe we should curl it. The wig, not my hair. I placed the wig back on my Barbie color reveal doll. I'm using the straw method from the Doll Boys YouTube channel. It's a very easy tutorial to follow, so we're gonna just give this a try, where we're using straws to pretty much make long rollers for dolls. And yeah, let's see how this works. Now we are going to dip this into hot water. We'll be right back. After the hot water, we dipped it into cold water. Then we can remove the straws. And, look at that! It worked! Thank you so much, the doll boy! Oh my goodness! Okay, let's get to it. And I'm gonna place my cut straw inside of the other one and just let it stick out a little. So hopefully we can use these again later. Then we just have to pull them apart and style it. I went ahead and pulled Mini Toya's hair back and I wrapped rubber bands going all the way down. We're gonna leave off the balloon because I don't really know how helpful that was. Let's add the wig to get that Cruella do. And if I wanted to hide the ridge from the wig, I could always cut bangs. But I like the idea of it looking like a wig on the doll because, she's supposed to be in costume. Let's take a little school glue and apply a layer to the doll's lips, allow it to dry, add a little bit of red paint to the school glue, mix well, apply the mixture to the doll's lips to give the doll red lipstick that can be removed. Keep in mind, any type of customizing does come with a level of risk, like staining and possibly ruining your doll forever. You have been warned. When I do this, I am pretty generous with that base coat of regular glue, and I even cover the teeth and everything. And you're not going to want to keep it on too long because this is a temporary thing, and prolonged exposure could increase the chances of staining. Now we need some clothes. Here is the red dress from the Barbie Violinist fashion pack. This dress is pretty easy to find in stores right now. It's not an exact look, but it totally gets the point across. We're taking some artistic liberties here. If I show up at the Halloween party dressed like this, I think it'll be obvious who I'm trying to be. I have other red dresses I can try out. This dress is from the Barbie signature fashion packs from back in the day. Maybe it was called Barbie Looks or Barbie Style. I don't know. It was on Mattel's website. While I do like the neckline a little better, I cannot get this one to close in the back. But that's okay because there are holiday Barbies. 2017 totally works. This dress is nice and long, wide at the bottom, more fitted at the top, giving us a lot of glam for my Cruella look, as long as my ponytail stays behind my back. Now you can totally make the mask if you want, but I'm gonna go as is because who wants to wear a mask all night? But a pretty dress? Yes. But you know what? If anyone walks up to me and is like, "Hey, Toya, what did you think about the movie?" I'm not gonna know what to say because I totally didn't finish it. Well, what movie did I watch? I know, Luca. With this top, I can dress up as Luca's friend, Julia. So her top was orange and white and mine is peach and white, but I think this is pretty close. Pair it with some jeans and this Creatable World hat. Now I think hers was actually blue, this one's teal, but it's pretty close. And we are Disney bounding as Julia. This is a super easy costume, very chill. I could even wear this costume after the party, like to the coffee shop, to show my love for Luca. And I'm all about that casual look, so this is totally near the top of my list. Add a basket or a straw bag, and we are in business. A bike would be a better accessory, but probably not the best thing for a Halloween party. Ugh, look at the time. I'm gonna be late for the party. Well, thank you for hanging out with me while we picked out some easy costume ideas for a stress-free Halloween or for a little Disney bounding. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!